How to adjust the height of Troy-Bilt lawn mowers. The cutting height is an essential part of lawn maintenance. Typically, only the top 1/3 of the grass blades should be cut on a single pass by the mower to promote healthy grass growth. Cutting height adjustment on a Troy-Bilt mower involves raising or lowering the entire deck so the blade is properly positioned for cutting. Follow two separate methods of adjustment for a riding lawn mower and a walk-behind mower. Riding mower. Sit in the operator's seat of the Troy-Bilt riding mower. Locate the belly attachment lift handle located on the left fender of the mower. Raise the lever to lift the cutting deck up from the mowing position. Locate the cutting height adjustment knob on the control panel directly under the front of the seat. Turn the knob toward the to raise the cutting height and toward the to lower the cutting height. Refer to the marked increments that indicate the setting in inches. Move the belly attachment lift downward until the deck is in place above the ground. Walk-behind mower. Position the mower on a flat surface. Locate the height adjustment lever on the backside of one of the wheels. Pull the lever toward the wheel and move to the left or right to adjust the cutting height. Release the lever. Lock the lever securely into place on one of the tabs of the adjustment plate. Move to the other wheels of the Troy-Bilt walk-behind mower. Set each wheel to the same height as the first wheel to obtain an even cut. Tips warnings. Check the tire pressure of all 4 tires with a tire pressure gauge before adjusting the cutting height of the mower blades. Add air to the tires, if necessary, so there's 12 to 14 pounds per square inch of air in the front tires and 8 to 10 pounds per square inch of air in the rear tires.